So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today after a long time I'm going out and going to a turf to play. So there's nothing much else to tell. So after a long time I'm going to the turf and maybe I'll get injured or not. So let's see. So there's nothing much else to tell. So I'll see you there. So this is the road which goes from Whitefield to towards Phoenix. So there you can see this apartment called Itikana Elkana. So after that, the very next compound is the where the turf is. So I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it is called. Guys, I checked the footage and it was so dark you couldn't see anything. So this place is called OTB Sports. I will leave the link down in the description, so you can go to that place. And generally this turf is free. I have not seen many people come there and play except us, and yesterday when I went to play there was another group, so there are very less members compared to other turfs that I have gone. So other turfs there are like people always coming there and playing, but in this turf people are less. I think it is because this turf is not known very well. It opened just this year, and you know what happened this year, right? So that's why the turf is not popular, but I just wanted to tell you that. So go watch the clips that I took yesterday and come back. So I'm here at the OTB Sports turf. So I don't know if you can see properly because it's dark, but the whole place behind, see from there to there, it's fully parking place. The parking place is enough. You can bring in your team of 11 and play properly. The whole court is so spacious. I think sevens match would be properly can properly play a sevens match. In half court you can play like 5 players each. It's really spacious and I really like this ground, and once in every 2 weeks I come here and play around. I'll show you the shot of the field as well. You have to walk towards the counter, and also you get hand sanitizer. This is really important right now. The pandemic is not over, guys. You have to safeguard yourself. So then you walk here, and the entrance is somewhere over there. So you walk and you see this is the counter. It's a beautifully designed counter, and I'll show you. I think this is the address over here. OTB Sports. Let me see if I can grab a proper thing, or I'll just put a pic. So this is the details of the court that I'm playing in. So this time we only booked half of the court, but half the court itself is really spacious. For someone who is playing after 8 months, I think I'm going to enjoy myself today, but it's good. So we took half court, and on the other half court there are also people playing from this local area. So I'll meet you after the game. So it kind of went how I predicted. I did strain my leg a little bit, which as I predicted, I strained my leg. So rest of the things I'll go home and fill you in. So this is the next day that I'm recording this video, because yesterday I came back, I was too tired to film anything. So I took a shower, ate, and I slept. So I took rest, and I woke up this morning. I had class. So after class I'm recording this. It did happen as I predicted, because I strained my leg a bit. My thighs and my calves are hurting very much. I did kind of predict it though, because after 8 months going out to play, you ought to have injury. Coming to the main topic of the video, why we have to support the Hero Indian Super League. This video you're probably seeing on the 20th, the day that the ISL is going to happen. I'm probably going to be uploading this around 6 o'clock in the evening. So within 2 hours ISL will be starting. So for those who don't know what ISL is Hero Indian Super League. So it is a football league for India. There are 2 football leagues in India. One is I League and one is ISL. So compared to I League, ISL is more competitive and more well known, and it was established in 2014 by Hero and as well as Reliance to bring up football. So I think this has kind of reinstigated the football spirit in every football fans, because ISL happens in a more bigger level than what I League used to be, and there are players who are constantly evolving, and every Indian football fan's dream is that one day India should play in the FIFA World Cup. Even though they don't win the tournament, they at least want to see their team represented in the FIFA World Cup, and I am sure that is every Indian's dream. So that's why you need to support this, and it is a good initiative taken by Reliance. And because of this initiative, because of ISL, there are many good players who have come to the Indian side. For one very familiar example that I know of is Sahal Abdul Samad. Then there is Nishu Kumar. Then there's Putia, then there's Jeekson Singh, and then there is Jerry. All these young players are very talented, and they are coming up, and they are well known, and they are also contributing to the international side. Before ISL came, India was ranked 147. Right now at present it is ranked at 101. Before that, before the Asia Cup happened, like last year, India was at 97th rank. But one interesting fact I would tell you is in AFC Asia Cup, what happened was the previous Asia Cup 2011, the one which happened in 2011, India lost in the first stage by 14 goals. India conceded 14 goals. But last year 2019, the Asia Cup which happened, India didn't make it to the second round, but still India only conceded 4 goals. So that's a big up, right, from 14 to 4. So the quality of players are increasing, many players are coming, and ISL helped build a very competitive environment for the youngsters. And many clubs are coming to ISL. For example, the ATK Mohun Bagan merger which happened, then this season there is SC East Bengal. So this is the biggest Hero ISL season, and every football fan should be supporting this league, because the competitiveness creates spirit, and that spirit will lead to players trying to better themselves, and finally we get to see some good football. So that's what we want, right? So when we support and when there are more competition, the players try to better themselves, and we get to see improved quality in the play. So this is all I wanted to tell. So you should be supporting ISL. This is one step towards the dream of every Indian football fan. So that's all I wanted to tell for this video. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like on the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below which team you will be supporting the ISL, or what do you think about Indian football scene right now. So I'll be reading to the comments, and I'll be replying to it. So do that. And one more thing that I wanted to address was the videos on my channel. Right now, if you're a new viewer on this channel, if you go to my channel, you'll see all my videos are all random videos. That is because due to the pandemic, I was not able to go out, and what I intended the video to, like, my channel to be was, like travel kind of videos on my channel, but I'm not able to do that because of the pandemic. So by December, January, I am planning to get back to the main content of the channel, but still that I am trying to post random stuff around my house. Even last week I did make a video, but I didn't feel good about always posting random stuff. So that's why I went out and made a video like this. So this is a new format I'm trying. So do comment down below what is your feedback on this. So it will help me improve, and that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye.